Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So for Virgo reading ito and almost daily love reading. Okay, love reading. So kung gusto mo pa-reading ng personal kay Jing Tarot Reader, search mo na lang siya. And para dun sa mga gusto ng ayaw ng love reading, gusto career, etc. May separate video ako para doon. Nakalagay Virgo career. I-check mo na lang, okay? Let's start your reading. And of course, pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Pa-subscribe sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe. Yung comment kahit heart-heart lang, sobrang ma-appreciate ko yun kasi, of course, nakakatuwa po yung makakita ng mga comment mula sa inyo. Basta mga positive kasi nag-i-spread tayo ng positivity sa channel na ito. Okay, let's start your reading. Main energy for the sign of Virgo. You do have here projected, recalling, divine masculine, family, financial support is here. I feel like yung iba sa inyo, nagkakaroon ka na ng maybe vision. Kung hindi man vision, talagang nararamdaman mo na in the future, magkakaroon kayo ng reconciliation ng person na kakonect mo. Maybe building something dito sa taong ito, like, naiisip mo na in the future, may family sa inyong dalawa or you will build a family with this person. You're really manifesting this person, yung future ninyo together. And nakakita ko ng single mom or single dad energy. Or, kung hindi pa naman single ngayon, in a relationship pa yung tao, nakita tayo ng about to, about to become a single mom or single dad in the future. Okay? Pwedeng sa side mo, pwedeng sa side niya. And, yeah, you two are you could be dealing with a soulmate or twin flame kasi may magnetic attraction tayo nakikita or magnetic connection. Kunin muna natin sa person mo, side ng person mo, sino to person nakakonect ni Virgo. Nakakarinig ako ng earth sign. I don't know if you're dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Waves, crush, and one more card. Searching. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the poison. This person, nakikita natin na hindi siya okay eh. No, not financially. Emotionally. Okay? At the bottom of the deck, there's this poison. So, might be, itong person na ito is currently dealing with his or her karma with the retaliation. Kasi ito, feeling ito na parang bumabalik sa kanya yung mga maling ginawa niya in the past, or maybe it's karma, And kung may connection kayo, as much as possible, ayaw kanyang makitang online, or ayaw kanyang, if you're dealing with someone na wala kayong communication, but yet, friends kayo sa social media, as much as possible, ayaw kanyang makitang online. Kasi nakakadagdag to dun sa lungkot or sa sakit na nararamdaman niya para sa'yo. And I want to know why, bakit? Yan, love affair is here. So, yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, there's third party na involved dito sa connection na ito. I feel like almost yung reading na nare-read ko, nito lang, is especially sa earth sign or sa'yo, Virgo, there's a third party na involved. Soul is here. So, kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, this could not be your reading. Okay lang yon. And also, there's this feeling na parang, you know, when you say sold, kasi, parang may nagmamay-ari na. So, you might be in a relationship already. Sabi ko nga, lalo na may family dito. So, you could be in a relationship or siya itong in a relationship. But definitely, may another person involved. Lalo na nandito rin yung love affair. So, ito yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit itong person na ito, ayoko makita kang online kasi nasasaktan ako eh. Parang alam ko naman yung totoo sa atin. Alam ko naman na medyo imposible yung sa atin. So, may ganon. What is your emotions towards this person? Ano ba emosyon mo para sa kanya? You do have your retaliation, poison, and threatened. Bounty hunter is at the bottom of the deck. I feel like gusto mo siya, okay? Pero with the poison, you see this person as the apple. Pero alam mong hindi pwede, like katulad nung apple ni Snow White, no? I see this apple as the apple of Snow White. So, pwedeng, gusto mo yon, you like the apple, pero, you know, na hindi pwede. It's a toxic connection or toxic relationship. Some of you, gusto mong maramdaman yung mga naramdaman mo in the past. Sa kanya, gusto mong maramdaman niya. Sa ngayon, some of you parang nahihiya ka sa taong ito by the way you look or the way you feeling mo hindi kanya magugustuhan physically, yung kumbaga sa attraction, pakiramdam mo may makikita siya sa yung mali or hindi siya maa-attract sa iyo. Ano namang emotion niya para sa'yo? You do have your TikTok. Grip. This is supposed to be yung sounds ng clock like TikTok. Pero yung iba sa inyo, maybe meron kang TikTok accounts. Accounts. Maybe hindi lang isa. But, some of you, this could be a reading. Kasi nakikita ko yung logo ng TikTok ngayon. So, you could have a TikTok. And medyo may mga videos ka din doon. Kasi, pwede ka magka-TikTok nang walang mga uploaded videos or, yung video mo might be private. Some of you, Pero, itong nakikita natin is that medyo active sa TikTok. So, this could be a reading. You post videos sa TikTok madalas na maybe pag sinabi ko madalas hindi naman everyday but maybe twice or thrice a month may video doon. Anyway, okay lang kahit hindi. Single is here. So yeah, etong emotion ng person ito, Nahirapan siya eh. Parang konti na lang bibitaw na siya. So, if your person is the one na may ka-connect, konti na lang bibitaw na siya. Nahihirapan na siya. Hindi siya okay sa connection na yon. And sabi ko nga, someone here is about to become single, especially single mom, single dad energy. So, may baby na involved. And, yung person na ito, nung una akala niya masaya. Masaya, masarap. Or gusto niya. Or this is for the better kind of energy. Kung ano man yung pinasok niya, feeling niya masaya, feeling niya this is for the better, this is, nakaka-challenge. But, this person is getting tired. The more na tumatagal yung connection niya with other person, the more na tumatagal yung pagkakalayo ninyo or no communication sa inyo, the more na nagiging mas mahirap para sa kanya, the more na nagiging mas masakit para sa kanya. And, siya yung tipo ng tao na mabilis lang siya mag-let go, mabilis lang siya mag-leave sa situation. Medyo mahirap siya makipag-commit, mahirap siya makipag-connect, pero once na nag-stay siya sa isang connection and relationship, tapos may nakita siyang hindi okay, or nakakawalang gana, or pagod, etc., madali lang sa kanya mag-let go. Sa ngayon, wala tayong nakitang emotion papunta sa'yo, but rather, might be dun sa mga nasa paligid niya. And yun nga, nahihirapan siya dun. Tell me more, ano yung emotion ng person na ito for you? Kasi medyo nakukulangan ako, Alamin natin, ano yung emotion niya para sa'yo. Divine Feminine is here. See, you are the Divine Masculine, and then this person is Divine Feminine. Pretending is here. So, sabi ko sa'yo, pwedeng may pagkukunwari sa person na ito na parang, baliwala ka lang. But deep inside, itong person na ito is interested. Nakikita natin yung interest niya sa'yo. This person is excited sa connection. There might be this pause sa inyong dalawa ngayon. Pause. Pero, it doesn't mean nag-end na. Ayan, nakakita ko ngayon ng person na malungkot. So, this person is really sad right now. You mean so much para sa person na ito. Sobrang mahalaga ka sa kanya. Okay, so what will happen in the future for the both of you? In the near future for the both of you. Trash is here. Cleansing. Journal. Tell me about the future. You do have here wheel, hamster wheel, plug, and tragedy. Hinahanap ko yung parang nakita ko kanina. Anyway. Parang may nakita kasi akong parang may nakita kasi akong regarding third party or anyway, lumabas din naman dito, you do have your tragedy and nakalagay yung forbidden love. Pero parang may nakita ko kanina sa side mo, pero hinahanap ko wala. The way I see this, there's another story in the future sa connection ninyo. Like, hindi ito yung end. Hindi, kung ano man yung nag-end sa inyo because of other people or other person na dumating sa buhay ninyo, hindi pa yun doon nagtatapos. I can see someone here na magaling magluto or someone na hindi ko masyado particularly makita ko anong ginagawa, but someone here is washing clothes, naglalaba, nasa harap ng washing machine, or nagluluto, doing, you know. And yung isa naman is, yung nakita ko is parang naglalagay ng gasolina. Hindi ko alam kung nakaka-relate ka dun sa mga bagay na yun. This could be a reading. Anyway, trash is here. So, nakikita natin that you will be clearing, throwing away stuff na hindi mo na kailangan. And that includes mga tao sa paligid mo na hindi mo na kailangan. Maybe nagamit mo na or may mga nakuha ka na dito sa mga taong ito na parang nagamit mo naman na, you are happy with it, etc. Pero ngayon, you no longer need them in your life. So, nakikita kita na kinakat off or tinatanggal sila. And yung iba, hindi yun, pwedeng walang kinalaman sa love, pwedeng meron. Pero yung iba, pwedeng may kinalaman sa work, career. If you do have a business, pagtanggal or pag-alis ng mga employee na hindi mo na kailangan. Cleansing is here. Yeah, cleansing is about clearing stuff, clearing the air, clearing your space, removing negativity. So, ikaw ito, nang tinatanggal mo in the future, yung mga hindi mo na kailangan to make space sa mga dadating sa buhay mo na mas, na magbibigay ng value, ng halaga, or another lesson, another meaning sa buhay mo. And you do have your journal. This is another story for you in the near future. Pagdating sa person na ito, there's malaking pagbabago. Disconnection, if you're having disconnection right now, definitely may connection in the near future. Lalo na nandito yung plug, tuned in, internet connected. So, magkakaroon ng connection sa inyo nito person na ito. Pero yung iba sa inyo, wala dun yung concentration mo because you are focusing sa pagtatanggal nga ng mga hindi na kailangan sa buhay mo. Okay? And regarding sa connection ninyong dalawa, you will have communication, conversation, and yeah, you have your realization. So, may mga bagay kang malalaman dito sa taong to in the near future. Maybe it has something to do dun sa mga connections niya or kung ano man yung mga nangyayari sa kanya with the today, present, now, in the moment. So, mga nangyayari sa person na ito, maaaring malaman mo. And, yeah. So, may pangangamusta, may connected sa isa't isa. I can see conversation. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. I love you all. And, bye-bye.